Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Welcome back for the second day manufacturing in the age of experience. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's arrangement and also the evening. Today, we will focus on China topic. China is the area manufacturing and innovation come at impressive speed and scale. Let me start with a bunch of numbers for today. China leads the world in terms of the manufacturing output with over 2.01 trillion US dollar per year, followed by United States, Japan, and Germany. China manufacturing is one of the key drivers for economical growth, up to GDP contribution 30%, and keep growing in last 3 years. And we see the future momentum is quite strong. China, in the future, is very promising in terms of the Chinese leadership program and ambitions Made in China 2025 plan supported by government. Chinese company will be the global leader in the world in 10 core industry by 2025. This is written in the plan of Made in China 2025. The country aims to be a global technology superpower by 2049. But the challenge for the country is to keep the leadership on the runway and also adapting to the new generation of the consumer who are eager to get the products and manufacture respecting the environment and the people. This is why China actually needs to transform in different level, country level, industry level, and company level. In this context, sustainable manufacturing has become the national priority. The country is accelerating the efforts to push forward intelligent manufacturing and strengthen innovation as well as the competitiveness. In smart manufacturing, digitalization, and the new technology, China is setting the pace. More than 530 intelligent industry manufacturing park prop up recently across the whole country, from the west to the east, from the north to the south. Those are industry parks pretty much focused on big data, cloud computing, new materials. China also secured a strong position in the area such as AI, 5G, high-speed railway, as well as intelligent connected vehicle. This morning, we have a rich agenda for you too. You are going to discover the major manufacturing trend in this country and seize the opportunity in context of the global transformation toward sustainability. Don't forget, interact with us and ask your question on the manufacturing in the age of experience community on the platform. So we have all the open area for you to exchange idea and also comment and raise the question to our speakers this morning.